Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Venus in the 7th house. What all happens when Venus is there in the 7th house of your Lagan Patrika, that is your birth chart. Well, Venus is a planet of luxury. This is a planet which shows wealth. This planet shows spouse in your life, and this is a planet of beauty also. So when this planet comes in your seventh house is the house of your spouse, is the house of your marriage. It's seventh house shows open enemy. Seventh house shows business in your life. It's a house of war. It also shows trade in a person life. So when Venus comes here, what all things a person is going to get. So I'll be covering this all in this video. I'll request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you will keep on getting the updates of my videos. So I welcome you all. Well, what all happens when Venus is there in the 7th house? Well, 7th house is the house of spouse, and when this planet, Venus, which is also the planet of your spouse, comes in your 7th house, the person, whosoever the person gets married, he remains very loving and caring for them. The person marry the spouse who's very good looking and very charming. They get recognized in the society. They get name and fame because of their spouse. And this is the placement for a person. When they get married, they become very fortunate. They get blessed with wealth, success in their life after they get married, because fortune starts helping them to gain in their life, especially when they get married. Venus in the 7th house people always remain very, loving and caring kind of people. They maintain a cordial relationship with their partner and with people around also. So Venus here also helps a person to get good business partnership. They get partnership, or they elevate in their business, or they get wealth and they get rise in their business, especially when they get into partnerships prove to be very fruitful with this placement of Venus here. Well, Venus, if placed with Jupiter, then they get married to somebody who's very dominating in nature. They will marry a spouse who will always want them to listen to them and to do the work as per their guidelines. Or either in a case when Venus is conjunct with the Mercury, the person gets married to somebody who's very younger to them, or very has a lesser age than them, and the age gap will be very huge, like 10 to 12 years or 15 years also. So this is the placement of Venus. And in the same manner, if Venus is conjunct with Rahu, then the person will not be able to remain happy in one relationship. He will keep on looking around. He will keep on looking at other women, and this will create problem in their married life. Venus, when conjunct with Rahu, their marriage doesn't remain sustained for long, and they get divorced, or problems occur to a great extent when Venus is conjunct with Rahu. Venus here also helps a person to rise in business. Venus, if conjunct with Moon, then the person marries somebody very loving and caring, very soft spoken people. When Venus is conjunct with Moon, Venus gives positive result, or all these things which I have discussed about. The person will be able to get fruits of all this, especially when Venus Mahadasha or Bhukti is running. Then the Venus will be able to give maximum results in their life. Or when Venus is in a dignified position, how to check whether Venus is in a good position or not? when Venus is sitting or Venus is there, the nakshatra of the Venus is in a of benefic planets like Sun, Moon, Jupiter, or you may say Venus itself is in Venus nakshatra, or Venus is placed in Mercury nakshatra, then Venus is going to give positive results in a person's life. Or with this, if Venus and the nakshatra or the star lord are giving the house results of 5th house, 9th house, 11th house, they should not be carrying any Dushtana house results, like not of 8th and 12th house, or 6th or 8th house. Even if only 8th house is there, only 12th house is there, one of the Dushtana house will not be giving much bad results as compared to if Dushtana house comes twice, like two pair of Dushtana house will be coming, like 6 or 8, 8th or 12th, then only Venus will not be able to give good results in a person's life. So guys, this was my observation on Venus in the 7th house. If you like the video, kindly share it with all, and subscribe the channel, so that you may keep on getting my video updates. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.